Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create designs like this in Affinity using the transparency tool. To do this, select your text, right-click and convert it to a curve. Now you'll see in the layer panel that it's a group. You can leave it like that, but I'll ungroup it by right-clicking. Then press the V key for the Move tool and select the first number. Then select the transparency tool, which is sometimes located with the gradient tool, depending on your sidebar. The shortcut is Y. Then simply drag from left to right, holding down the Shift key to keep it straight. You also have various setting options at the top, but I'll leave it as it is. Then drag the midpoint slightly to the left. Then select the Move tool and move the other numbers as you like, holding down the Shift key to keep it straight. Then copy the first number and select all the other numbers. Up here under Edit, click on Paste and then Style, and the shortcuts are always listed next to it. For visual purposes, I choose a different color for the last two numbers. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave a subscribe and thanks for watching.